What's up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel Next Level with Subhan Awan. Well, all of us want to have a clean and smooth skin. लेकिन हम में से किसी के पास भी इतना टाइम नहीं है कि रोजाना सैलून जाकर फेशियल ट्रीटमेंट्स करवाएं। इसलिए आज की वीडियो में मैं आपको बताऊंगा वो टिप्स which help me keep my skin smooth and clear. And I'm sure when you're gonna try this, you'll definitely see the results in just few days. So without wasting any time, let's start. Starting with the very basics, stop touching your face unnecessarily. Well, probably you don't know, but when you shake hands, touch door handles, travel, or maybe use your cell phone, millions of bacteria और germs आपके हाथों पे ट्रांसफर हो जाते हैं और जब आप उन्हीं गंदे हाथों से अपने चेहरे को टच करते हो तो वो सारे germs और बैक्टीरिया आपके फेस पर आ जाते हैं and this results in the skin irritation and acne. So please do not touch your face without washing your hands. And definitely do not touch your face to pop a zit or a pimple. I know it's very embarrassing when you get a pimple right at the center of your forehead or maybe at the tip of your nose, but touching it gonna put you in a bigger trouble. क्योंकि टच करने से इट गेट्स रेडर एंड बिगर एंड चांसेस आर कि उस एरिया में एक दो पिंपल्स और भी हो जाए क्योंकि जिस एरिया में पिंपल होता है वो एरिया ऑलरेडी बहुत ज़्यादा सेंसिटिव हो चुका होता है और जब आप उसको अपनी फिंगर टिप से टच करते हो तो फिर वहाँ पे मजीद इरिटेशन स्टार्ट हो जाती है. सो द बेस्ट ऑप्शन इज टू लेट द पिंपल डाई इटसेल्फ. Do not touch or try to pop it, and only this way it's not gonna leave any mark on your skin. Next is wash and moisturize your face every day. And this is something a lot of people think they don't need it. But let me tell you, no matter how clean the environment is, you gotta wash your face at least twice a day. First when you wake up and second when you go to bed. And trust me, doing it for twice a day gonna keep your skin smooth and clean and acne free. Next, sleep on clean pillowcases. Well, every one of us sweats at night. And that sweat, dirt and oil gather on our pillow every single day. And when we keep on using the same pillow for weeks, उससे आपके चेहरे पर बहुत बुरे effects आते हैं. So make sure to change your pillowcase after every week. Next up, drink a lot of water. Besides having a bunch of other benefits of drinking a lot of water, it keeps your skin clean, smooth and fresh. So keep yourself hydrated all the time. Make a habit of drinking 3 to 4 liters of water every day. And trust me, when you do this, not only your face, but your whole body will feel better and you will start feeling physically more active and healthy. Next thing is to control your stress and tensions. Yes guys, stress and tension causes increase in the levels of oil and sebum, which ultimately results in the sensitivity of skin and acne. So take a deep breath, relax and don't take any kind of tension or stress. Well, if you still feel heavy, maybe talk to your family, go out with your friends, watch a movie or do anything you like to do. Next is to add up some physical activity in your routine, like going to a morning walk, maybe going to gym, playing any kind of sports or swimming. Such kind of activities help you get rid of toxic chemicals and bacteria from your body and keeps your skin fresh and healthy. Alright, I hope you guys got some good tips from today's video. Ever since I started living by these rules, I never faced any trouble of having skin issues, and I'm sure when you guys adopt these habits, you're gonna feel the same. So guys, thank you so much for watching. See you soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Allah Hafiz.